So, I am back. The cats, the kittens. Let's see if I can get another shot of them. Wanna say hi? I don't wanna say hi, but maybe my kittens do. You can kind of see Mama in the background if she can stop moving. Mama! Mama! Hey. I see someone staring at my phone. Mama looks like she's done. Mama looks like she's just done. Oh. And you can see Tiggs in the background there, playing with one of his siblings. Hi, Mama. I'm not trying to scare anyone. I'm just trying to do a video, okay? It's cute. My fans love it. They love you. Right, guys? We love kittens. We just radiate positivity on this channel, right? Right? I'm sorry if I'm trying to scare you. I'm not actually trying it. Tiggs! Tiggs! You want to look and say hi real quick? Tiggs! If Tiggs' sibling could stop attacking him, maybe. Maybe you could say hi. Ooh, let's see if I can get down on the ground there. Hello! Hi, Mama! Now she's saying hi. Probably giving us a warning to just stop. She's probably mad as heck at me. Kitten! Oh, kittens! They're so cute, I know. Aren't they adorable? Here. Oh, God. Ow. I'm hurting my leg doing this. There's some pretty flowers. Alright, guys. Yeah. I just want to hang outside for a little bit. To be honest. Don't really feel like doing much inside. And plus, the kittens are out here. Why be in there when kittens are outside? Alright, bye, guys. Bye-bye.